In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use NordVPN on a PlayStation 5. The process is straightforward. All you need is an Ethernet cable and a Windows PC, so let's get started. First, make sure NordVPN is installed and running on your computer. Your PC will act as the middleman, so it's important that the VPN is already connected and working properly. Next, open the Windows control panel. Go to Network and Internet, then open Network Connections. You should see the NordVPN connection listed there. If you don't, double-check that the NordVPN app is running. Right-click on the NordVPN adapter and select Properties. Then open the Sharing tab. Enable the option that allows other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. This step is essential, since it allows your PlayStation 5 to use the VPN connection. In the drop-down menu below, select your main internet connection. It's usually labeled Ethernet, but if you're unsure, check which connection your PC is currently using and select that one. Once it's chosen, you're set. Now take your Ethernet cable and connect your PlayStation 5 directly to your PC. Plug one end into the PS5's LAN port and the other end into the Ethernet port on your computer. Once both ends are connected, the two devices are linked. On your PlayStation 5, open Settings, go to Network, and select Set up Internet Connection. Choose Set up Wired LAN instead of Wi-Fi. You should see the connection coming from your PC, which is now carrying the NordVPN protection. Once the wired connection finishes setting up, that's it. Your PlayStation 5 is now using NordVPN through your PC. You can access region-restricted content, improve privacy, and help avoid ISP throttling. And that's everything you need. If you want the best price on NordVPN, check the link below for 74% off plus 3 extra months free. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask if you run into any issues.